Good morning, YouTube. I hope you have a wonderful day today. Thank you every single one of you that tuning in with me in the video today. I have a big surprise for you guys. Yep, it's headers. And not just headers, it's a long tube headers for the Camaro. I'm so excited to you guys right now. I don't know what you guys think. Yep, we're going to do it. Going to install the headers for my car. And hold on a minute. I think Cook just arrived.
Oh my god, guys, I did not expect Cook to be arrived this so early. Alright, why don't we go ahead and unbox these beautiful headers. I put it on the sideway, and then the first thing I noticed when I opened it was a freaking, I think it's a connection pipe, off-road connection pipe. Dude, it's ginormous and heavy. So there's one size. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's a long tube headers right there for you guys from Kooks. The headers on the right here, and I don't know, they gave us a small box. I have no clue why is that, but we're probably gonna take this to Chan and let him check it out, so maybe he can figure it out which one is which. I put everything in here already. So we got the connection pipe, we got the two headers right here. So I think we should go see Chan right now.
Yeah, I just arrived to the muffler shop right now. That's who I just met.
What's up, Chan? How are you? Want to say hi to the vlog?
What's up, YouTube? How you guys doing?
Hey. Hey guys, it's Joshua. Chan, I mentioned about last time. He's the one who helped me out install the axle bag for my Corsa. Today he's gonna help me installing the headers.
Oh yeah.
Kooks headers.
Crazy.
Ooh, can't wait.
I'm here and people.
Hey yo, Chan, what's your feeling when you're trying to like uninstall these stock headers? What?
Hard.
Like how hard? Like from 1 to 10?
10, that's for sure.
I don't know if you guys can see me, but it's totally dark right now and it's so late, but we are done. Are you guys ready? Alright guys, Chan finished helping me out, so he's gonna start up the car. Are you excited, bro?
Dude, I'm super excited.
Alright man, I'm gonna hop in the back real quick.
Alright.
So close the valve. Oh my god. Dude. Oh my god. What the fuck, bro?
That shit sounds good. It's actually stealth mode when it's stealth mode. And then when you put it in track, it's like, yo. Yo.
Thank you so much, man. Dude, it took us a whole day, but it's totally worth it though. Thank you to Chan and Randy.
Yeah,
dude, you guys are the best.
No problem, bro. I
Yo.
got you. Anytime.
I'm gonna show you guys a couple pulls in a bit, guys. So, dude, I'm so freaking happy with this sound right now, guys.
One thing I noticed about this sound setup is it's very cool. Like when you want it to be loud, it's loud, and when you want it to be quiet, you can put it on quiet mode. It's just quiet, and so far I really enjoy this sound setup. You know, it's MURICA sound. You know, damn. I found out that there was a car meet behind my house today. It was a collab between animes and car lovers. I'm kind of like so excited to go because I've never been to like car meet with so many like animes lovers who around the area, which is like kind of like you love anime and you love car too at the same time. I'm so excited though, guys. Yeah, so I'm picking up Chan right now. I'm kind of like waiting for him to come out right now. Me and Chan's gonna go together to the show. Hey, someone freaking friends. Looking handsome, boy.
This is me when I'm not working, you know.
Oh shoot.
You know, a little fresher.
You know, you look more đẹp trai, you know.
I look more normal.
Đẹp trai, we call it handsome, bro.
Nap jai?
Đẹp trai.
Yep, jai.
Yeah. So we just arrived here at my second meet. Dude, there's a lot of cool car for you guys to see, but I'm gonna show you guys in a bit though. Oh, Chan, what's the first impression, man?
Yo, it's lit. It's a real car meet.
Dude, he said this is a real car meet.
None of that revving bullshit, you know?
Yup.
It's peaceful.
It's peaceful, right? What's up, Miku?
Hi,
How are
how's it
you?
going?
Dude.
Good, chilling.
Hey, I just want to thank Miku real quick. He's the one who sent me the invitation of the car meet today. So without him, I wouldn't be like over here today though. So Omaju, check it out. Dude. Check out the website, guys. So check out the mask guy. They got so many stickers and masks up here too. If you guys interested on any of it, go check them out.
It's up to you though. Good luck.
Check out his Kurama, guys. You just got it, right?
Yeah.
Hell, like clean. I love it.
A couple months ago.
Congratulations, bro.
Thank you.
You earned it.
Thank you.
Shoe right here. So freaking sick, guys. Hey, Gojira. Hella clean. These guys, anime cool stuff on his car. Damn. Now, guys, the food is kind of dark, barely see, but there's a lot of people right here now, guys. Jeez. That's crazy, though. More like an anime festival with cars.
Basically.
Yep, it is, right?
Yeah.
And it's very interesting. I'm getting one of these.
Thank you.
Steering wheel.
Ooh, yes, please. Shit hard.
Just want to get the gold and black, guys.
Check it out. 350 mil, 100 mil deep dish. Laser rig.
Love it. Looking clean, though.
Yeah. Nice. Thank you.
You like this one?
Yeah, sugar hard.
Remind me so much about anime expos, but like mini version, like outside. Well, there you go. There's another like Mustang right there. Only one though. The rest is like JDM cars.
Starting to fill up outside.
There's a real Supra here though. Fuck. It's a real Supra. It's not a fake Supra though. Fuck. Dude, bro. Don't really take a hold. Right? Let's go. Just like cable closer. Dude. Too Jay-Z.
Big ass fucking throttle body. God
damn. Damn. This thing gonna shut down everybody in 1 second. Guys, this is sick. I wish Jason can be here with me too. Look. Kimetsu no Yaiba, guys. Holy shit. On his car too? Wait, this is like an Evo, right? Yep. No, it's an Evo.
Oh, I couldn't tell.
It's an Evo.
Same, but different.
Damn, bro. That's the on the right side, but this is on the left side. Oh, shoot. This is sick. Man, Jason, I wish you was here with me, man. Dang. Yes, sir. Give me some. Give me some juice. Damn. That is sick. Oh, Mr. Big Wing. Okay. It's S2000 right there. This is my favorite car, guys. Sienna.
It's a sleeper, man.
It's a sleeper, guys.
Turbo V6.
Okay. Supposed to be my car next
but then turned out I didn't get that one, so the one right here, RCF. Hella lit though. Check out this tail light, guys. How dick with this, so cool. Dude, is that a Supra? Supra. Me and Chan's kind of hungry now, so we're probably gonna leave the meat and then go get some ramen though. I'll see you guys in a bit over there. So me and Chan decided to go to Butaton right next to car meat. Let's get a dope one though.
Grub out, you know.
What?
We starving here. We gotta grub out.
Oh shit. Right, let's go. What are you getting, sir? What are you getting?
Tonkotsu ramen.
Tonkotsu? Wait, you point it. Where is it?
This guy right here.
Ah, tonkotsu.
You know, gotta make it spicy too.
Oh, spicy. You love spicy.
Spicy.
So I got myself a spicy miso ramen. Hell bomb. Chan got Butaton instead of tonkotsu. Because he loves spicy.
I love spicy. Got it.
Oh, and you got chili. Alright. Itadakimasu minasan.
So
Bro, that was a good ramen.
Bro, that was lit. That
Dude,
was really good.
The car show was so fun. What do you think so far about the car?
Dude, that was a real car show, that's for sure.
Tell me why you think this one is a legit car show.
Well, first of all, it doesn't get rated in 5 minutes. Second of all, there's no taquaches, you know, revving their trucks and a bunch of people revving their cars, doing burnouts, causing the whole meet to just last 5 minutes.
Oh.
So that's why it's actually really good.
Dang, okay.
Yeah.
That's good to know because this is my second car meet. I didn't expect it to be so peaceful, but hey, we got a good time though, right?
Yeah, bro.
We got to see a lot of
Some good
Supra
shit,
and stuff too. Man, I can't wait to go to the third car meet though.
Oh, yeah.
It's gonna be excited too, huh, bro?
I gotta get my Lexus all animated up for sure.
Guys, thank you so much for watching my vlog today. I appreciate every single one of you. Guys, let me know in the comments below. Do you think my Camaro sound like aggressive now or just like, it's okay? Again though, it was a successful day, guys. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.